Wonder Pets, the Baby Bird Rescue. Ring, ring, clang, ring, ring, clang. The red tin can phone is ringing, but it doesn't sound right. The Wonder Pets put on their hats and rush to answer the phone. It looks like someone needs help right in our backyard, says Linny, but it's hard to see. There's something wrong with the phone. Oh no, groaned Tuck and Ming Ming. The phone is broken. Wow, this is going to be hard, says Ming Ming. It sure is, Wonder Pets, says Linny. We're going to need a bigger team today. Maybe you can help us. Will you be a Wonder Pet? Great! The Wonder Pets jump into the fabric scrap box and put on their superhero outfits. Since you're a Wonder Pet today, you need a cape too, says Linny. Here you go. Linny, Tuck, and Ming Ming too. We're Wonder Pets, and so are you. Let's bring the tin can phone, says Ming Ming, in case it starts working again. Great idea, says Linny, as Ming Ming pulls the tin can phone out of its socket. Pop! The Wonder Pets work together to build the flyboat. We are coming to help you, whatever you are, calls Ming Ming as the flyboat soars through the sky. Sing with us, says Linny. Wonder Pets, we're on our way to help a who knows what and save the day. We're not too big and we're not too tough, but when we work together, we've got the right stuff. Go Wonder Pets! Yay! As the Wonder Pets land in the backyard, the tin can phone starts to ring again. Ring, ring, clang. Oh, says Ming Ming, maybe if we look into the phone, we'll see another clue. The Wonder Pets look into the phone and see an apple tree. So, says Tuck, the animal in trouble is near an apple tree. We need your help, Linny says. Do you see a tree that looks like the picture inside the phone? Yeah, there's an apple tree right there. Absolutely, says Ming Ming. You're doing great, teammate, says Linny. As the Wonder Pets head toward the apple tree, the tin can phone starts to ring again. Ring, ring, clang. Together they look into the phone for another clue. I see feathery wings, says Linny. And I see a beak, says Tuck. Says Ming Ming. I wonder what it could be. We need your help, new Wonder Pet, says Tuck. What kind of animal has feathery wings and a beak? That's right, a bird. Oh yeah, says Ming Ming. Now why didn't I think of that? So the animal in trouble is a bird, says Linny. Let's go find her. The Wonder Pets fly around the apple tree, but they can't seem to find the bird that is in trouble. Linny says, we need your help, new Wonder Pet. Do you see a bird in the apple tree? You do? Where is it? Can you point to it, please? The Wonder Pets look around and see a baby hummingbird with her beak stuck in an apple. Oh, Linny says, you found the animal in trouble. It's a baby hummingbird. When hummingbirds fly, their wings make a humming sound. Oh no, says Tuck. The baby hummingbird's really stuck and that apple is going to fall. This is serious, says Ming Ming. We have to think of a way to save her. Fast, Linny shouts. The baby hummingbird flaps her wings even harder. I know how we can save the baby hummingbird, says Ming Ming. We can pull her out. Great idea, Ming Ming, cheers Linny. We need someone really strong to help us pull the baby hummingbird out, says Linny. Can you show us how you pull? Wow, nice pulling. Now let's all pull together. As the Wonder Pets start to pull the baby hummingbird, they begin to sing. What's going to work? Teamwork. What's going to work? Teamwork. Pull, pull, pull. Pop! The baby hummingbird pops out of the apple and into the flyboat. Great pulling, says says Linny. "We did it!" "And just in time," says Tuck as the apple falls to the ground. The baby hummingbird flies away, flapping her wings happily. Here's Papa Hummingbird.
"Thank you, Wonder Pets,"
he says.
"You saved my baby."
"This calls for some celery," cheers Linny.
"Have a slice of apple,"
offers Papa Hummingbird. "Thanks, we can all have celery with apple," says Linny. "Here's some for you." "Yum," says Ming Ming. "Celery and an apple slice. How nice!" "Thank you for all your help today," says Linny. "We couldn't have done it without you," agrees Tuck. "Yeah," says Ming Ming. "It's been a dream having you on the team." The Wonder Pets are so happy that you helped them out today. You were a wonderful Wonder Pet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Wonder Pet stories, check out my Wonder Pets playlist. And if you enjoyed the story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and the video. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.